Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Catherine Joy Visto. I am 25 years old. I live at Batasan Hills, Quezon City. I am graduated at senior high school in strand of ABM, and I am a single parent and two child. I have two brothers.
Tell me about your working experience as a domestic helper.
My working experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines, year 2016 to 2019.
How many helpers in the house?
Only me.
Did you renew your contract?
No, because I want to expand my experience as domestic helper in other country.
What will you do in the house start from the morning?
First, I will fix myself and prepare food for my employer. And after that, I will cleaning the house, windows and walls, and prepare the washing the clothes and ironing the clothes, and sometimes I will wash the car of my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to earn more money to support my financial needs for my family.
How can you manage your homesick?
Homesick is normal, but I will assure you to manage my homesick by making myself busy.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
And based on my own experience, I will feed the baby, changing clothes, feeding her, and prepare the vitamins and sterilize the bottle.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
First, I will check the temperature of the baby using the thermometer. Then I will inform my employer.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
Yes, I treat elderly like my own parents, and respect them, and treat them like my own parents.
Can you promise not to break your 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
Yes, ma'am, I will promise I will not break my 2 years contract to showing my positive attitude and to commit what I signed with them.
Can you sing a song like nursery rhymes?
Yes, I can. I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart so clean and bright.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
I cook simple dishes, Filipino dishes, like steamed fish, fried rice, and bihon and noodles. And I'm willing to learn any dishes to prepare my employer properly.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
First, I will check all my household duties if I do properly. Then I will check the doors if they're locked and the light is off.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
Hi, ma'am, sir. I am Kathleen Joy Visto. Please choose me as your domestic helper. I will be a good person, hard worker, honest, and trustworthy person. Thank you and God bless.